Save the seeds. Hey YouTube, what's going on? Your Weekend Gardener here, and I'm out here looking at this watermelon right here. I don't know if it's ready, but it's been the same size for weeks, and this usually is the indicator that a watermelon is ready. It's usually the first tendril that's closest to the plant, and we're just gonna verify. I got this little makeshift hammock. Okay. So here's the fruit right here, and the closest tendril is here, which is kind of far. Actually, you know what? I'm sorry. The closest tendril is right here. See how it just broke off? That means it's ready. Doesn't look ready because it's kind of small, but you know, not gonna take any chances. See how easy it plucked off? What we're gonna do is we're gonna do a taste test. This is not as big as I thought it would get, but I believe this is the gold and gold hybrid. I have 3 types of yellow melons. I have this one, which is oblong. I have this one that's round. It almost looks the same. And I have one right here that's more like a basketball. But it all looks the same. Like I said, 3 types. I'm gonna have it written down in the description to let you know what type this is. All right, stay tuned for the taste test. See if we got a winner. Okay, YouTube, we are back with our melon that we just plucked, and we got to be real quick because the mosquitoes out here, they're extra hungry. So this is our melon that we picked. It's about the size of a tiger melon, Korean tiger melons. It's about the same size. Thought I read where this is supposed to get at least 11 pounds. Okay. The tendril was dead. This is as far as it's gonna grow. So this is the first year. Not sure if this is the midget. It may not even be ready, but it's splitting. Look at that split, like it's ready. Look at that. So this is the gold on gold. This is the gold on gold hybrid. And from my understanding, it's supposed to get bigger than this.
Your dog is not watermelon.
I can't smell it, but he can smell it.
Don't sniff the food.
Calm down, homeboy. The attempts of getting watermelon on this property has been very, very futile. I mean, we've had squirrels eat the watermelon before we got to them. We've had groundhogs eat all the leaves and flowers, so therefore none grew. It's just been rough. It's been rough. So you actually get the first official taste of a watermelon that I've never grown this type, but the last time I grew a watermelon, it was kind of successful, was in 2021. So this is the first one since 2021.
Okay.
This is
smell normal, regular.
Okay. Wow, you need to eat it. Did you taste it?
Wonderful. Of course I taste it. It's so wonderful. Super sweet.
Okay.
Super moist.
Mm-hmm.
The texture is very...
Calm down, homeboy.
Let me give him a piece.
Yeah.
Yeah, baby, try. My number is 9.
Okay.
Yeah, my number is 9. What's your number, Romeo?
God dang, I think his number is 20.
Hey, don't eat everything.
And he don't care. Did you feed him today?
Of course.
Does it taste like anything you ever had before?
Yes, the taste is the same of the regular watermelon, but it's weak, but it's super sweet. I love it.
You know what would make this better? What would make it better?
How?
If it came out the refrigerator and it was cold.
Ah, okay.
This is good.
This is good.
Yeah, this is good.
Very good.
I'm gonna give it about a 9.
Yes, I give the 9.
Wow.
Your dog give it 10.
Very juicy.
Yeah,
Wow.
yeah, yeah. Enough.
Enough, homeboy.
Wow.
Wow. The only thing that would make this as a 10 is if it was cold.
I don't like cold fruit, so for
Mhm.
me, yeah.
I'm definitely going to grow this again next year.
Mm-hmm.
Hopefully under better circumstances. We didn't have a lot of pest issues this year with groundhogs, which are the most destructive. Squirrels, of course, come in number 2 as being destructive. But if I saw these seeds again, I would buy them.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is just something you can't get in the grocery store. All right, thanks for watching. Taste Test 2024. Peace.